We're going to talk for a little bit about the Poser file types. Poser libraries are built up of a number of different file types, and OBJ files give the figures their structure, while JPEG, TIFF, and the image maps can provide high-quality textures for the figures and props. And these are fairly common file types, not specific to Poser, but Poser does have some special file types to manage certain features of its scenes, figures, and props. Now, by default, these files contain text, meaning they can be opened and viewed and edited in a text editor. In Poser 5 and 6, they can also be saved compressed by selecting the Use File Compression or Save Files Compressed option in the General Preferences. PZ3 files are Poser scene files. They contain information about figures, props, lighting, camera angles, motion, etc. And they're what you create when you save a Poser document.